If your GoDaddy WordPress site is showing a critical error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to find the real problem and fix it as fast as possible. We'll start by turning on debug mode, so WordPress can show the actual error instead of the generic critical error message. Then we'll test the most common cause, which is a plugin conflict, and I'll show you how to safely disable plugins, check if the website comes back, and then reactivate them one by one to find the broken plugin. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy cPanel admin area and open File Manager. Inside File Manager, go into the public_HTML folder. This is the main folder for your WordPress website, so this is where we'll make the first change. Now find the wp-config.php file and open it for editing. This file controls important WordPress settings, and we're looking for the line that says define wp-debug false. If you find define wp-debug false, change it to define wp-debug true. This turns on debugging and helps reveal the real error behind the critical message. After making that change, save the file and refresh your website by doing a hard refresh with Ctrl+F5. If you see a more specific error now, that's great, because it gives you a clear direction for the next fix. If the site still shows the critical error, the next thing we want to check is plugins, because plugin conflicts are one of the most common reasons WordPress breaks suddenly. Go back to File Manager and open public_HTML, then go into the WP Content folder. Inside there, you'll see a folder called Plugins. To disable all plugins at once, rename the Plugins folder to plugins_old. This tells WordPress to stop loading every plugin temporarily without deleting anything. After renaming the folder, refresh your website again. If the site loads now, that means one of your plugins was causing the problem. Once you confirm the site is working again, rename the folder back from plugins_old to plugins. Then go into your WordPress dashboard and activate each plugin one at a time. After enabling each one, check your site again. When the critical error returns, you found the plugin that caused it. At that point, you can delete that plugin, update it, or replace it with a different one. If the site does not work even after disabling plugins, then the issue may be something else, like a theme problem, a damaged core file, or a PHP compatibility issue. But the 2 steps in this video are the fastest place to start. The key is to work carefully, change one thing at a time, and always keep a backup in mind before making bigger edits. This method is beginner-friendly, safe, and one of the best ways to troubleshoot a WordPress critical error on GoDaddy without guessing. If this helped you fix your site, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want a follow-up guide for fixing theme errors, PHP issues, or restoring a broken WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.